In this video, I will guide you how to download and install Oracle Java Development Kit 14 or JDK 14 to use the new features of the Java 14. You know, Oracle JDK is a commercial build for Java Development Kit from Oracle Corporation, and Oracle JDK is free for personal and development use, but you have to pay for commercial use via Java SE subscription. And the Oracle JDK is licensed under the Oracle Technology Network license, and we can download a distribution of Oracle JDK from jdk.java.net/14 here, and then we can go to the download link for commercial view of JDK. Note that the Oracle JDK is distributed as an archive file and install the programs like XZ on Windows, RPM on Linux, and DMG on Mac OS. Now let's download Oracle JDK 14. You see Chrome browser on my computer, and we head to the page jdk.java.net/14. Okay, here we go. This is the home page of the JDK 14, and you can click the link, this link for download Oracle JDK, the commercial view for JDK. And this is Java SE download page from Oracle, and you can see the hyperlink JDK download for Oracle JDK here. And you can see the important note from Oracle here, and you can see it is free to use Oracle JDK for personal use and development use here at no cost. And scroll down, and you can see the download links for different operating systems. I'm using Windows 7 64-bit, so I download this link, JDK 14 Windows 64-bit exe here. This is the installer program for Oracle JDK 14. Check this and click download. Save the Oracle installer program on the folder Oracle JDK 14. Save. Wait for a moment. Okay, the download complete, and you can double click here to launch the installer program. Just click next, and this is a default installation directory for Oracle JDK 14 Java SE Development Kit 14 64-bit. Next. The installation process of Oracle JDK 14 is very easy and more quickly than the previous version of Oracle JDK. So done. Click close. So that's we have installed Oracle JDK. And note that the Oracle JDK 14 installer doesn't process automatic configuration and file association. So you have to update Java Home and path environment variable manually. And note that the current version of IDE like Eclipse, NetBeans may not work with Java 14, and you have to wait for the update versions of these IDEs. Now open the command prompt and type the command java dash version, and you see we got an error. Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. So now let me show you how to configure the system environment variable for Java 14. Edit the system environment variables here, environment variables, and under the system variable section here, create a new variable name Java underscore home, and variable value is path of the installation directory of Java 14 Oracle JDK 14. You can open my computer and browse to the program files directory here, Java here, and you see JDK 14 is installed here, and copy this path, copy and paste to the variable value of the system variable Java underscore home here. Okay, so we have Java home here, and update the path environment variable here to point to Java underscore home and bin directory, so we can use Java Java C commands in the command prompt, anywhere in the command prompt. Okay, and we need to restart the command prompt here and type the command java dash version, and you see it print Java version 14 here. The release date is 2020 March 17. Please note that the current IDE version of Eclipse or NetBeans may not work with Java 14. That's how to download and install Oracle JDK 14 to get started with the new features in Java 14. Subscribe to my channel and like, comment and share. Thank you.